how to send photos in messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to send photos through messages on your iPhone? It's really simple to do that through iMessage. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to your messages app, and then you need to go to the conversation where you want to send the photos, and then you can see plus icon in the bottom left. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then go to photos. Your gallery will open up. Choose the photo that you want to send, just tap on it, and then you can see the arrow icon. Just tap. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.